In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the video background in your meeting. So as I'm going to use this avatar as my own background, my own video. So let's say we want to change the background in this meeting. So you can come to the video option over here. You can click on this arrow, you can go to the video settings. Now you can have the camera, and then this is the virtual background, which is what we want to change. So you have the option to use the available ones over here. You can change it to this one, and you can see right now the background has been changed. You can use this one as well, or you can use this one depending on your choice. Whichever one you want, you can enable, and it's going to change the background like that. Okay, and if you have a background that you saved somewhere, you can always bring it in. Also, you can bring it out. So for this case, let's say you can adjust the lightings, the portrait lighting, and the touch my appearance. You can do all of that if you're interested. But then for our own case here, we just want the virtual background. If you have something on your desktop that you want to replace with, you can always click on the plus sign over here. Whether it is a video or an image, you can just bring it in. So let's say we have this image that I want to bring it and make it my background. I can just select, and you can see right now it is in my background. Okay, so you can see perfectly it is there. You can decide to rotate it if you want to rotate. All right, if you found this helpful, so once you're done, you can close on this, and now you have your background just like that. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.